When it's time to renovate your bathroom, you could install tile on the floor of the shower, but you might also want to consider a prefabricated one-piece shower pan. These shower pans are made of enameled steel or acrylic reinforced with fiberglass. They come in many styles and sizes, and they install quickly. As with any plumbing project, you should work with a licensed plumber to make sure that you have the necessary permits and follow all local building codes. The shower pan that will be installed in this bathroom will be set in a bed of mortar. So the first step is to tack tar paper onto the subfloor to prevent the mortar from seeping between floorboards. Next, we dry fit the pan to see if the subfloor is level. This floor is low on one side, so we added shims beneath the level to determine the height to raise the pan, in this case about 3/4 of an inch. We then removed the pan and installed the shims on the low corner of the subfloor. Apply plumber's putty to the underside of the drain flange and insert it through the drain hole in the pan. Install the gaskets, tighten the nut on the bottom of the drain flange, and remove any excess putty that squeezes out. Mix a batch of stiff mortar and apply it to the subfloor about 1 inch thick, being careful to avoid the hole for the drain. Set the pan in the mortar bed, making sure that it comes in contact with the floor and the shims. Press firmly, and the shower pan should be level. Since the mortar could expand slightly while it cures, we added temporary strapping to the studs to hold the pan in place. Some manufacturers call for the flange of the shower pan to be screwed directly to the studs, so be sure to follow the specific installation instructions for your pan. If you don't have access to the underside of your shower pan, you need to ensure that all of the plumbing is connected and aligned with your pan before completing the subfloor under the shower. If you do have access from below, dry fit the connections to be sure everything is aligned, then use PVC cleaner and glue to secure the connections. Installing a new shower pan only takes a few hours and can make a big difference in the style and durability of your new shower.